GMV up 11 was better than expected, smaller than expected operating loss. Are we in the midst of a turn here? What's going on?
Well, look, I think start at the sort of macro level. I think the macro tailwinds of e-commerce and just digitalization in general remain very strong long term. Global e-commerce sits at about 5 trillion today. It'll be about 7 trillion by 2025. And I think Shopify is certainly one of the most dominant players in that space and the dominant player for independent retail. But right now it's clear. I mean, consumers' favorite brands are almost entirely on Shopify, whether it's Glossier or Vuori or Alo Yoga. In terms of the quarter and the results, I think during the third quarter, more merchants are using more of our solutions than ever before. But the role that we are playing in these merchants' businesses, I think, is very different than most typical software providers. I mentioned on the call that our merchant solution attach rate is 2.14%. What that means is more merchants are taking more of our solutions: payments, capital, fulfillment, more services like audiences. So I think we had a really good quarter in terms of revenue. Revenue was 1.4 billion, up 22%. On a 3-year CAGR, that's about 52%. But equally important, I think right now especially, is this operational discipline. Adjusted gross profit was like $681 million. That's up nearly 11%. And on a 3-year basis, adjusted gross profit CAGR was like 46%. We're also decelerating year-on-year operating expense growth, and we have about $5 billion of cash on the balance sheet.
I was going to ask you about that, the sequential decline in expected OPEX. I mean, OPEX is obviously a huge topic of discussion this morning. How much can you cut? How disciplined can you be before you start cutting into muscle?
Well, look, we were not raised in venture capital. Shopify has been a company that has always been very thoughtful when it came to managing expenses. Nearly all of our growth pre-deliver acquisition has been organic and funded by redeploying gross profits into the business. The cash we've raised externally has been used strategically to accelerate the product roadmap. And so we can continue to invest in things like building buyer relationships, going global, the logistics piece of it. But we think we can do both. We think we can be really good stewards of capital and good capital allocators, and at the same time grow this business. Shopify right now is about 10% of total e-commerce in the U.S. We have small businesses starting with us growing really large. That's sort of the Figs and Allbirds story. But we also have very large companies like Glossier and Spanx and Mattel who are coming to Shopify to run the entirety of their enterprise commerce. And so we have these different sort of pathways into Shopify. But I think the more exciting part of the story is really merchant solutions, that we can play a much larger role than simply making it easier to sell across different services.
Yeah, Harley, a bit of a macro question for you, given the fact that
Sure.
you are working with so many different businesses of so many different sizes across the country. We had Carol Tomei from UPS on earlier in the week, and one of the things she talked about, especially as we get into this peak shipping and holiday season, is this idea of it's a little bit of a return to pre-pandemic norms in terms of things like consumer behavior and how they're shopping, but it's also the fact that we are seeing this economic slowdown. What are you seeing through your different business segments, and how do you expect that to translate in terms of economic activity into next year?
Yeah, I mean, look, Carol is a friend, and UPS is a great partner to Shopify. Year over year, consumer spending was up about 8.2% last September, according to U.S. Census Bureau. Month to month, that spending remains fairly steady. I think the key is going to be in the same way that merchants during the pandemic had to reset how they did business and where they sold. The same thing goes now. If one particular channel is not working well, shift to a different channel. The reason you see us talk about things like audiences, which an hour ago we just announced a new integration with Google on audiences, but our integrations with Instagram, our integrations with TikTok and Spotify and Snap, is we want to make it really easy for merchants to find more customers regardless of the climate. And by providing them with more versatility, it means that we future-proof their business. But I think we'll see a good holiday season. It'll remains to be seen how strong it's going to be. But our merchants now, we have millions of them, are getting ready to sell.